Master. To become very skilled at something. She mastered the piano by practicing every day. He hopes to master French before his trip. The chef has mastered the art of baking bread. She quickly mastered the new software at work. They are mastering the basics of mathematics.